Hi, I'm Amy Mollin, and my team is responsible for product management at Guidewire. Today, I'm going to tell you about some of the new features in claims, policy, and billing applications for Elysian. These features help you make claims processing more efficient and improve risk selection to drive profitable growth. In claims, there are 3 new features that we'll highlight today that provide analytics-driven insights to empower adjusters. Let's start by talking about a new capability that allows adjusters to accelerate payments. This new feature lets claims supervisors specify payment limits per claim based on pre-approved reserves. That means supervisors will be able to pre-approve multiple payments, and adjusters don't have to get approvals each time they release a payment. This makes claims processing more efficient by reducing the number of supervisor requests required for multiple payments. And that means claims get paid faster. Next, based on insights from over 2.4 million claims, we're pleased to introduce collision subrogation scoring. This provides not just a single number that indicates the likelihood of collision subrogation, but also shares information on contributing factors and creates alerts for the adjuster directly in ClaimCenter. This not only improves the efficiency of adjuster referrals, but also the efficiency of the entire subrogation team. Our initial estimates indicate that this would create a measurable improvement in auto loss ratios, potentially in the range of 0.2%. The third claims feature I want to highlight, and it's one that I happen to really be excited about, is weather discrepancy alerts. Using weather data from multiple third-party sources, we can now validate claim exposures against a number of weather-related events. Claims are assessed when they're created or updated, and if the information about the loss cause is inconsistent with the weather information, a ClaimCenter alert is created for the adjuster to investigate further. This helps reduce leakage by identifying suspicious claims quickly. Now let me show you how this works. What you see here is an activity for that adjuster that was created because an alert was generated when this claim exposure was correlated with weather data. The adjuster clicks on the activity and then navigates to the alert that's been added to the claim. There, the adjuster sees details of the alert, including that the loss cause of wind does not match observed weather at the claim location on that date. As you can see here, the list of nearby weather events and the visual representations all indicate that several other potentially damaging weather events did occur nearby on that time and date. As the adjuster clicks into Canvas to investigate, they can add additional layers to the view to see different types of severe weather events that may have occurred, including wildfire watch zones, hail greater than 2 centimeters, lightning strikes, and tornadoes. They can also use the map features to see the property and zoom in to evaluate what structures may have been damaged. In this case, given that there was so much severe weather in the area around the time of the claim, the adjuster concludes that this is likely a valid loss. But the adjuster needs to confirm the loss details with the claimant before proceeding, so they close this activity as complete and create a new one to track the new loss detail confirmation. So what you just saw was how quick and easy it is for an adjuster to confirm suspicious claims directly in ClaimCenter. All right, so that new weather discrepancy feature is pretty cool, but let's move on and talk about some of the new features in policy. These are designed so teams can accelerate innovation on Guidewire Cloud, improve pricing and risk selection, and unlock speed to market. For PolicyCenter customers interested in moving to the cloud, we're working to ensure that their existing PolicyCenter configuration is preserved so you can take advantage of new cloud-native platform features. In Elysian, we're introducing a fast path that lets you skip a full rewrite of your existing product model, and you can now leverage Advanced Product Designer to create cloud APIs, metadata, and app events from your existing product definitions. This unlocks fast-tracked integrations on Integration Gateway and streamlines submission processing using product metadata. All of these are enabled based on line of business specific Advanced Product Designer product definitions. This is a great option that allows customers moving to cloud to get value from platform features that Diego talked about without having to rebuild existing lines of business. Now let's shift gears a little bit and talk about accurate pricing and risk selection. This is vital to staying competitive in the market. And our recent acquisition, Hazard Hub, provides easy access to a comprehensive set of property risk factors that are available directly in POLICYCENTER. Over 150 customers are already taking advantage of Hazard Hub to accurately assess and price risks in their portfolio. And now it's even more powerful with the addition of building permit data that includes up to 58 data points per permit. This new data set will help you uncover hidden risks to facilitate better risk selection and more accurate pricing for property risks in all 50 U.S. states. Let's talk about APIs. The ability to access data and drive transactions via APIs can help you accelerate time to market. POLICYCENTER and Elysian includes 3 new APIs that surface functionality commonly required for delivery channel support. First, side-by-side comparison to see what has changed between 2 versions of a policy. Second, policy management with functionality related to accounts such as merge and reopen. And third, support for creation of coarser-grained requests by composing multiple finer-grained APIs to speed up response times. Okay. So we talked about some of the new features in claims and policy, and now let's turn to billing. We're excited to share that with Elysian, we're introducing the first set of cloud API endpoints for BILLINGCENTER. These are 2 sets of APIs focused on operational efficiency. First, the common API collection provides access to activities, notes, documents, and type lists. Second, the admin API collection allows management of users, billing plans, and delinquency plans. All right, thank you for allowing me to share some of these exciting updates about applications in Elysian. But we know that the platform and application features are really only valuable to you in the context of specific lines of business and market requirements.